What's going on YouTube? I am Yikariel, and today we're going to be going over the 3 trades that I took this week, starting on Monday, to accumulate the P&L at the end of the week. P&L $699, and what was it? $699.08. So we're gonna start here. I'm in my Instagram channel right here. It's called Lead FX and Futures. If you guys aren't in this channel, please join it. The link will be in the description below. I post a lot of my setups here. As you can see, I posted in this channel for a good little minute. It's going on 3 or 4 weeks. We're posting a lot of setups. So we'll start here. I took this sell on Australian dollar. I've been trading pretty much Australian dollar and just New Zealand and maybe GBP, but mainly Australian dollar. I've been trading that. As you can see, I took a sell here. Price came up. She was a bit overextended, and I took a sell around this level. Had no drawdown, and then eventually she hit TP. Australian dollar futures I called, still waiting on more selling pressure. She's about halfway to TP. Take profit. Ended up closing her in profit, as you can see here, around the nearest buying pressure or around the nearest support level. Try to be really modest with that. Close her in profit at $255, $52, $255.52. Caught out a couple more setups, but these I didn't take. This here is Australian dollar. I caught this setup out. This was a pretty big win. So I caught out 2 setups. It was New Zealand dollar and it was Australian dollar. And I also called out micro gold. As you can see, they're all overextended to downside. I said could reject here. I said remember the golden rule trading, buy low, sell high. Eventually, Australian dollars were setting up pretty nicely. But then she ended up blowing through my support level. What is going on here? What the hell? Australian dollar setting up nicely. If I get into a trade, I'll send a signal out, AUD, USD for FX, and Australian dollar for futures. So you can pretty much trade futures or trade Forex in futures if you know the proper symbol. So that one was coming to an overextension. She came down to this level, but I didn't really see too much of a good rejection. Just came down to this level. This was the level that I initially had. She bounced up some, but I didn't take anything. She bounced up. She ended up blowing through that, continued down even lower, and then she came down to a support level, a previous support level that was used. Like I think it was like on daily. It might have been like a support level on the daily or some sort of higher time frame, right? So I had a limit order set. At this point, we're on. This is Wednesday. This is Wednesday. So a day. This is Wednesday at 9:41 a.m. So Tuesday went by. I think I closed the first trade on Tuesday, or I actually called this trade out on Tuesday. This one here, and then it took about a day and some change, or it took at least 12 hours for it to set up. So around 9:41 a.m., I got into the trade. I had a buy limit order set, and I was actually getting ready to go to bed. So I just put a buy limit order set. She was rejecting pretty well. So boom, I put a limit order set there, and she ended up filling that pretty nicely. Next thing you know, I posted this screenshot around 2:28 p.m. I was literally just chilling out, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling. She was up, like, I think this was maybe $200 in profit around there, 180, 200. And literally after I posted this, she went up and skyrocketed. And I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. As you can see here, I post some crucial information for trading. This here. This is the overall P&L. Like I said, she skyrocketed up literally after I posted this, and she skyrocketed up. So I ended up being $430 in profit, or just accumulated $430. As you can see here, I closed the trade at this level, closed in profit, 425. And then I posted another setup right here. I actually ended up losing this trade. I posted this setup. I said euro. This is for euro. Euro USD, Euro futures looking to go short around indicator level. I actually didn't take this setup. I took it on New Zealand dollar because it was looking both the same, and New Zealand dollar and Aussie USD is pretty much hand in hand. So I took this setup here, As you can see, she came up, she blew through these resistance levels here. So I'm pretty much looking to go short. As you see, she's overextended, and then she came down pretty nicely. It looked pretty promising, to be honest with you. So I got in here, and next thing you know, the next few candles just went right up against me. There was nothing I could do about that. I just ended up getting out of the trade. Had an alert set. Didn't have a stop loss, just had an alert set. She hit the alert as anticipated, getting out of the trade. It was a small loss, I believe. Let me see. Yep, 134. So minus 134. Just took that loss like a G. And here's the loss that not the loss, here's the trade that I took this morning on Australian dollar. Literally this morning is around 10 or 9 or 10 or something like that. She was coming up to a good level. She was overextended. Um, as you see, she kept going up. So she was a bit overextended. She had this really big push up. I think it might have been a news event or something. I don't know, but she had this big push up around 9:30. Around well, it wasn't 9:30. It was around 8:30. Around when market open, stock market open. But futures is open 24/7, 24/5. So I took this sell here. She rejected a bit, and I ended up taking that sell. And as you can see, I didn't even have a stop loss. I just have alerts set. So if anything, happens, I can properly manage the trade. I can choose if I want to maybe hedge or DCA or just cut the trade at a loss. So she ended up doing some sort of crazy price action, right? She didn't really trigger my alert. Actually, she pushed up like this and then went straight down into like halfway of this candle, and that's when I closed the trade because she looked like she wasn't really gonna keep going down. So I closed her in profit for around $120, and I said, "Fear got the best of me. Sucks to be human sometimes, but I'm done for the week." Because I definitely could have held it if I really believed in this trade. I definitely could have held it to this level here, where the next buying, where the all the buyers are at. But I was like, nah, I'm not really too confident in this one after seeing, there is a lot of sellers up here, so I really do doubt that it'll go up here, but I just wanted to take my money and run basically. So I said, took low hanging fruit on New Zealand dollar. Actually, it was Australian dollar, it wasn't NZD. And then I said, I literally laying down, didn't even leave my bed. Like I was literally in my bed the whole time. Didn't get up, didn't go to my setup, just didn't go to my computer. I just literally took the trade, closed it at a profit. So that's that. And then yeah, so those are the trades that I took for a profit of, or for an accumulation of $699 for this week. So I did pretty good overall. I like to believe. Only took 3 trades, and or did I take 4? I took 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I took 4 trades actually. Took 4 trades, 699. Not that bad, to be honest with you. Not that bad, but hopefully next week we have an even better week, and I'll be pushing to hopefully pass this challenge, man. That's the main goal, is pass this funded challenge, and to just keep it pushing us up from there. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Again, join my channel here, DFX and Futures. I'll leave a link below in the description for you guys to join. Hop in there, I'll be posting setups for y'all to lock into, get into. Literally, I just been posting setups like just day after day, day after day. I post setups, P&Ls. Like, come on, like this is just what I do day to day. It's pretty much clockwork at this point. So, um, yeah, if you guys want to join that, please hit the link in the description. I advise you to if you're trying to be a trader, aspiring trader, or maybe you just need some more setups, some good analysis. Um, join that. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll be safe. Bye.